Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we're unboxing Apple's M4 Mac Mini. Alright, let's just position it nicely here. First, let's confirm what we've got. Yep, that's it. This is the entry-level model with a 256GB hard drive and 16 gigabytes of RAM. And get this, it's less than 20,000 NTD. Wow, it's just gorgeous. Their packaging always gets me so excited when I'm unboxing. That's the sound, that's the feeling. All right, let's take a closer look at Apple's product design. It's so classy. On the back, you've got the HDMI port, Ethernet, and 3 USB-C ports. And on the bottom of the back, that's where you'll find the power port and power switch. Finally, we've got the power cable.
The smallest Mac product in history.
Seriously, even the power cable is packaged with such a premium feel. It's just beautiful.
Probably that kind of persistence that made Apple products so successful.
Now, let's power it up. First, plug in the power cable, then the HDMI cable, and the Ethernet cable. Hello, here we go.